covered.
Why not?
We have plenty of little hotties,
I bought it.
so, two.
I bought that.
Put on a pair of rubber gloves under your gloves because it'll help you.
Yeah, he's driving down here with his hands on the steering wheel and in front of the thing.
Because there's other
Well,
vines.
you guys,
Okay?
anybody needs to come in, just, I mean, obviously you can stand right here. There's a whole lot of heat coming at these things.
Yeah.
We'll have these kicking the whole
And
time.
we're just gonna leave these
Our
on
bill
high
and
the whole time.
No.
Yeah.
It's very physical.
What?
I was looking for the dogs, I was worried if they were gonna run out.
Oh,
It
they're
goes
fine
down
if they
pretty
do.
far on your neck.
There's cheese sticks, peanut butter crackers for snacks.
We stopped at McDonald's, there's an oatmeal out in the car if you still want it.
Oh, I'm good, thank you, that's kind of you. Did you eat? Are those big?
Try,
We'll do these front rows first.
Because those will keep your
And then we'll have
hands,
to go and actually
that'll,
drop.
that'll break the wheel a little bit too.
Because they're hooked up at the top, so you can harvest on the bottom.
do you need another long
So how do you want to do the staples?
They've been.
Staples on these phones are already full.
Under the thing.
How do you do them? Like a rivet?
Yeah, Evian Drew.
Well, actually, the tops of those will still be connected. So you'll still have to pull the tops apart, the bottoms are already out. Beautiful. They're little
Clear.
things.
Yeah, I saw them.
So, yeah.
There's things. There, those would be good. Good, yeah.
Do you want a little hottie?
Yeah.
I was looking for them, because I thought I was supposed to bring them.
I would just put them in your pockets, or, I don't know, put them on the tops of my hands under my gloves, or on your palms.
I can't worry about my toes, grab two pairs of socks, I'm already,
As soon as your toes get cold, come in here.
Yeah.
I'm already.
Actually, why don't you take those off, put a little hottie in your shoe, each shoe. It's not comfortable, but I would put it on the top. It's fine, you'll get used to it.
Okay.
I have a pair of wool socks in my thing, it's wool socks.
Two thick pairs of socks on, my feet are always cold.
And they'll be cold. I've also got red rubber boots, but those are thicker.
Marcy bought me a pair of liners, the heater liners. Like they're skinny, they're not thick like the ones we got you, they're other ones.
That's
They're
fair.
Yeah.
They don't seem to work that well.
You wanna put those in your shoes or no?
Not for me.
I'll help you.
Okay, I'm gonna, well,
Really light motorcycle gloves, 'cause they're all tight.
Yeah.
mittens probably won't work. I'm gonna do.
Depends on what job you're doing. As long as you're just doing either holding the thing or whatever, then maybe. Just, you know,
Or you could do it on the bottom.
well,
Yeah,
it's
you wanna do it on the
that.
bottom? Try to get it on like your
Lights are bright in there, isn't it?
Yeah. It's also way warmer in the bathroom.
Well, it's just heated.
Yeah, the
Because you don't know what it's like to go to the outside toilet
Well, we have to keep them warm.
in the winter time.
There's little things for heaters in there.
Those are on sale at Home Depot.
Yeah. I see,
And they're waterproof.
yeah, I see that.
Can you feel the heat?
Yeah.
Okay.
That might be good.
So that'll keep you.
They're warm. I had one the other day, my hands were sweating. Like right away.
Might be better than these.
Well, it'd be better than those, yes.
These are the ones I have.
Yeah, feel the inside of those. Oh, yeah.
Let's see how these do.
Here they come.
Yeah, I was about surprised Derek drove his truck all the way out.
Yeah, I thought Evan was driving, so we pulled
I
up.
thought, I didn't realize he was home.
Yeah.
Got Christmas right before Christmas.
Oh, okay. I thought he was still gone.
He's been up at he's been doing Sundays up at Toledo, but there's the way their
Oh, yeah.
schedule. Like, they haven't had him up there every day. It's weird.
And you do want a pair to put in your pocket, so when you're not
Put my mittens
using
back.
them, keep them in there. Do that, yeah. Leave your keys in here so you don't leave them out in the vineyard.
I put my phone.
Marcy's client's got her gift card like 5 years ago. She got one of the
Yeah, that's my
codes.
Mhm.
There you go.
What do you do?
You
should
I didn't bring my heated glove because you can't do anything hardly.
Right.
All you can do is stand there.
Well,
Happy train.
this This is now turned into my work sweatshirt. Because this is the one I got.
Did you wear that because we're using the tractor today? You can be honest.
No, like literally.
You can be honest.
Remember, this is the sweatshirt I bought down when we went to Ethan's graduation stuff at the Walmart. I bought this John Deere sweatshirt and now it's turned into my work sweatshirt. I mean, I have another one. But it really doesn't matter. Do whichever one.
I'll help get them ready.
Alright.
The white PVCs.
Thank you.
Both of them?
Yeah.
Come on. For what? Videotaping. Oh, this is a big fucking ruse they're playing me. I am. I'm making it for the Facebook and the YouTube. Everybody get in the camera and smile. What's up, party folk?